Hello everyone and welcome to Capital Cares Pantry. My name is Alyssa Parlante and I am a first-year AmeriCorps Vista here at Capital Community College. I created this PowerPoint to give a general overview of what the pantry does and how you as students can utilize our services. Hopefully we'll answer all of your questions in this PowerPoint, but just in case you have some more, please feel free to reach out to us at ca_foodpantry@ccc.comnet.edu. Let's get started. Who we are. The pantry was established in 2010 by the Capital Community College Bible Club, and the name Capital Cares was created by one of the club's co-advisors, who is Dean Linda Guzzo. The pantry actually won an award from the Connecticut Department of Higher Education in 2011 for community service, and since then the pantry has grown to be a part of student services and to include 2 part-time staff members, an AmeriCorps Vista, and countless volunteers. We are partnered with FoodShare, which is one of the 2 sectors of Feeding America here in Connecticut, and our mission is to serve students at Capital Community College who need assistance in a convenient, private, safe, and friendly environment. What we do. Capital Cares Pantry is a resource for students who are in need and eligible for assistance. Students determine their eligibility by reviewing the TFAP household income guidelines and then agreeing to those guidelines. We are a client choice pantry with food items delivered directly from FoodShare's Bloomfield warehouse, in addition to community donations that we receive throughout the year. And in addition to those food items, we also offer men and women's hygiene products, clothing items from the Capital Cares closet, and baby products such as diapers, wipes, and food. This slide is just a little bit about our partnership with FoodShare. It is a regional food bank that serves Hartford and Tallinn counties and is the largest anti-hunger organization in the greater Hartford area. They have a network of 260 food pantries, meal programs, and mobile food share sites that they partner with, us being one of those. Some of the food items that we offer include pasta and rice products and pasta sauces, canned items such as soups, tuna fish, chicken, vegetables, and beans, canned and dried fruits, mixed nuts, cereal, and oatmeal, peanut butter and jelly. We also get an assortment of frozen meats and refrigerated products. These things can include chicken, beef, pork, turkey, lamb, and veal. And then for our refrigerated items, we get anywhere from fresh fruits to butter to dairy products to eggs. We also have an assortment of baby food and formula. And please be advised that all of these items are subject to change. Items rotates per availability from each FoodShare delivery. So this is something that, all of the items might be different when you come in from your first visit compared to your second visit, but we do try to have all of the staples here that we know people need and want. At this point, you may be asking, how exactly do I visit the food pantry? As of right now, we are operating on an appointment-only basis. So to make an appointment to visit the pantry, you can give us a call at the phone number or give us an email at cafoodpantry@ccc.comnet.edu. And when you do come and visit the pantry, make sure that you have your current student ID or schedule, as you will need it to get into the building and into the pantry. And for our current hours of operation, they change kind of regularly, so the best way to get the most current hours of operation is to visit the food shares or the food pantries tab of the student services page on Capital's main website. So how exactly does the pantry work? Each student will receive and review the TFAP, a self-attested income document, upon the first entry to the pantry, as previously mentioned, and students are required to bring their current student ID each time that they access the pantry. Students can choose a total of 10 items each visit to the pantry, with a maximum of 2 items from the refrigerated room. The present pantry staff member will do the shopping and packaging for each appointment while wearing disposable masks and gloves. And we ask students to please bring a reusable shopping bag with them each visit. If not, we have paper and plastic bags here. Some of you may already know that Capital Cares Pantry does have an Instagram page, and this is a really great resource if you want some updates on not what only is going on in the Capital Cares Pantry, but also with the other network of food programs and anti-hunger organizations around in the Hartford area. So some of the things that I post on the Capital Cares Pantry Instagram page include important resources and information from FoodShare and the Connecticut Food Bank. Regular Capital Cares Pantry announcements that either have to do with curbside pickup, delivery, or some other kind of operation that we might be doing. I also post recipes and budgeting tools on there, some educational, nutritional education content, and so much more. Capital Cares Pantry has been working diligently to build capacity and to become a growing resource for the students of Capital Community College. So some of the upcoming pantry features that we hope to include are partnerships with outside food suppliers and anti-hunger organizations, expansion of food and personal items that the pantry has to offer, surveys to better the pantry operation, and some nutritional education material. Service learning and volunteers. So if you are a part of a course where you are required to complete 25 hours of service learning hours, Capital Cares Pantry welcomes students to complete their hours through volunteering in the pantry. We also open up, that volunteer opportunity to anybody who wants to volunteer with us. It doesn't have to just be for service hour completion. So if you are interested in either of these opportunities, please contact any of the pantry staff members. Lastly, to wrap everything up, here is just a quick reminder of pantry contact information, our email, phone number. We are located on the 7th floor, room 706. And then just as another friendly reminder for the current hours, please visit the food pantry tab under the student services on Capital's main website. Thank you so much for joining us and for viewing this video. If you have any other questions about the pantry, please email us and we hope to see you guys soon. Thank you so much.